Welcome to the future of education. In today's fast-paced digital world, teachers are embracing technology like never before. They're not just educators anymore, they're guides shaping tomorrow's leaders. Introducing the Digital Library app, your ultimate tool for modern teaching. With this app, educators can effortlessly incorporate the latest tech into their lessons, making learning more engaging and effective than ever before. But it's not just about teaching, it's about preparing students for success in a digital world. The Digital Library app equips teachers with the tools they need to teach essential digital skills, ensuring students are ready for whatever tomorrow brings. Plus, here's the best part, the app provides teachers with an opportunity to earn extra income effortlessly, making it an invaluable asset in their professional journey. Join the movement and revolutionize education with the Digital Library app. It's time to shape the future of learning together.
Technology won't replace teachers. But teachers who use technology will probably replace teachers who do not. Are you ready to step into the future of education? Stay ahead of the curve with the latest technology tools. Download the Digital Library app today.